What's up, guys? That's Sian here today. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a snowman. So this is how you make. Put it one of these here. And first we need a smelly sock. I mean a plain sock. And we need glue stick. And some snowflake stickers that are tiny. And a scarf. And googly eyes, some pins, and some rope, some buttons, some rice to put inside. So now guys, we have to get a plain white sock. Now we need to grab the scissors. It has to be sharp scissors. Sharp scissors could do this. You can cut. This is the hat. And guys, next we have to tie it. Now we need the rope, guys. Cut it right here. Now guys, I have to tie this. Let's have to put this rope here. We need to get the same size. Tie this like this. Do this. And then put this one here. And then do this. The other one to be strong enough. Tie it. You can cut it or you can leave it. I'm deciding to cut it. So now we have to do this. You just here. Get this thing. Put it. You need to make it straight. Very good. And next we need the wand. Tie this. Guys, we have to tie it here. You can tie it your own way, guys. And when there's a tying point, you can tie it your own way. Cut this. It's finished. Next, we have to tie this. We have to tie it to make it like his head here and his down his stomach. Now, guys, we're gonna put the hat on. Now guys, we need to put the googly eyes. Do it. Let's put the nose here. Now the scarf. Now guys, we have to put the scarf. Next, time for buttons. And now time to decorate it with stickers. Guys, now I finished making it. So lovely it is. Now guys, it's the end of the vlog and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos.